Today, we're going to be looking in our first section of the new chapter of functions. So, today is on ordered pairs. A coordinate plane, is used to locate points. The coordinate plane is formed by the intersection of two number lines that meet at 0. So, we have the green number line and the red number line. The horizontal number line is called the x-axis. So right here is the x-axis. It's laying horizontal, think of the horizon. And the vertical number line is called the y-axis. So the one going straight up and down is the y-axis. An easy way to remember, as a y has a straight part as it curves down, so the straight line going straight down. The origin is at the point 0, 0. So right where the two intersect, that is your origin. The coordinate plane is split into 4 sections. So we call each section a quadrant. So this is our quadrant 1. That's where all the x values and all the y values are positive. Now we travel in a counterclockwise. So we're going to travel to the left. And this is our quadrant 2. And then we continue for our quadrant 3. In our quadrant 3, all the x values and the y values are going to be both negative. And lastly, quadrant 4. Let's look at a point. Here we have a point 3, 2. 3 is our x value, and 2 is our y value. And we call this a coordinate point. The x always comes first. So now we're going to be looking into graphing ordered pairs. So there's a couple steps here. The first one is we're going to start at the origin. So again, the origin is 0, 0. Then we're going to move to the right or left. So we're going to move our x value. And then from that point, we're going to move up or down, and that's going to be our y value. So positive values, we move to the right or we move up. Negative values, we move down or to the left. So we have the point 3, 3. So we start at the origin, we move right 3. And then we move 2, 3 going up. So we have the point 3, 3. The x value here is 3, and the y value here is 3. So we're going to label it A, since it's A. And the quadrant, it's in quadrant 1. Let me not use. I'm just going to use numbers instead of Roman numerals. Let's look at B. We have -3, -3. Negative says we move to the left. So we're going to go to our -3 for the x, and then our y is -3, so we go down, put a point, and that is B. And this, we need to figure out what quadrant it is. We start at 1, and we go counterclockwise. So 1, 2, 3. It's a quadrant 3. Let's graph C. We have 5, -5. So we start at 0, and we go to the right 5. And then we go down 5. So that is C. And again, quadrant 1, 2, 3, 4. D, we have -5, so we're going to go to the left 5. We have +5, so then we're going to go up 5. And that is D. And that is in quadrant 2. Now we have 0, -2. So we start at the origin, and we don't move right or left. We stay put. And then we go down -2. And that is E. And here we are not in a quadrant. We're on the line. And that line is our y-axis. And last one, we have 2, 0. So we start at the origin, we go to 2, and then we aren't moving anywhere. So we put our point there. And that is F. And we are not in a quadrant, we're on an axis, and this is our x-axis. So that's plotting and graphing our points. Now we're going to look into writing out our order pairs. So we're going to locate each of these points. So we're going to locate A. So find A. A is right here. So you go and look at the x value. The x value is -1. So we're going to put -1, comma. And then we're going to look at the y value, which is 4. So we have the point -1, 4. Let's look at B. The x value, we're stayed put at 0. And we go down to -4. C, let's find C right here. So that's x value is 4, and the y value is 2. D, right here, the x value is -5, and the y value is 3. E, oh, okay. E is this point right here. We don't have an L. There we go. So E, we go, our x value is -3, and our y value is -4. F, all the way over here, our x value is 5, and our y value is 3. I want you to pause the video and do the next 5. Come back and check your work once you are finished. Okay, let's check it. Let's check G. G is right here. Our x value is 1, and our y value is 4. H, right here, our x value is 2, and our y value is 1. I is right here. Our x value is -4, and we're not moving up or down any, so it's 0. J, our x value is -4, and our y value is -2. The last one here is K. K is right here. Our x value is -2, and our y value is -1. So that is your lesson on ordered pairs. Please reach out if you have any questions.